Hi guys, my name is Kishan Parmar. I am from Mumbai and I am from DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering. I pursued my mechanical engineering in 2019. So, I have done the certification at Career Ninja for digital marketing. I had applied for the course in month of May. So it was a hard time going on for everyone in this pandemic time. So it was like, if I do a useful thing, that would be very much great for me as well, and it will be also be appreciable for me to invest some time. So that was the main thing, to take the certification from the Career Ninja. And big thing was, they were providing us the 21 days free trial course, and if you complete in those 21 days period, you will be getting the certificate from Career Ninja directly. So I had applied for that course, and within 15 odd days I completed that particular course, because I was quite free enough and it was more interesting type of thing. I am from the management background, so that was the major thing. Secondly, I learned about the things called SEO, which is search engine optimization. Second is the social media marketing, which plays a major role in the whole digital marketing. And the third thing is Google Analytics. These three topics were a big bonus for me, which helped me to gain some knowledge in those particular parts. The most important thing was their softwares, their videos, and also their dashboards were kept in such a manner that you are able to learn all the things, you are able to grasp all the things, and you can also study those particular things in your own way. The testimonials which they gave after each and every sections were better enough. It was very great. I was unable to find a job, but after doing this particular certification, I tried to add these things in my resume, that I know such things and I may help your company in such type of basic needs in the marketing purpose. So I had applied for the job and hopefully I got a job. As it was a 21 days free trial, so those particular things of the premium accounts were not given to me, but yeah, I added those knowledge and applied from the outside and applying on the company's website basically. Main important thing is SEO, search engine optimization, which will give you each and every topics, which will give you inherent skill knowledge about the optimization on the Google or else on any of the search engines like Internet Explorer and all the things. I recommend this course because, first of all, if you are free enough, then you will be completing in hardly in 2 weeks, and if you want a job, then this course is good if you are in a marketing background and if you want to pursue the digital marketing. So you need to have an aim. I had one aim, so which clarified me all the things, which helped me a lot, and Career Ninja helped me in one of the best days. In my worst days, sorry to say that, in my worst days they helped me a lot and made me a bit confident that I might achieve more what I had before. So thank you so much.